Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn passive income by promoting products or services and earning a commission on each sale generated through your unique affiliate links. With the right strategy, it's possible to earn $1,965 per day or more. This guide will walk you through the steps to achieve that goal, from choosing the right affiliate programs to optimizing your marketing efforts. 1. Understand affiliate marketing basics. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with companies or platforms to promote their products or services. You earn a commission for every sale or action generated through your referral link. Here's a basic overview. Affiliate links, unique URLs that track the sales or leads generated by your promotions. Commissions, the percentage or fixed amount you earn for each sale or lead. Affiliate networks, platforms that connect affiliates with companies offering products or services for promotion. 2. Choose a profitable niche. Selecting the right niche is crucial for successful affiliate marketing. A niche should be both profitable and aligned with your interests. Here's how to choose one. Passion and expertise. Choose a niche you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will help you create authentic and compelling content. Market demand. Research the demand for your niche. Use tools like Google Trends, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to analyze search volume and competition. Profitability. Evaluate the earning potential of your niche. Look for high-paying affiliate programs with good conversion rates. 3. Find the right affiliate programs. Once you've chosen a niche, you need to find affiliate programs that offer products or services relevant to your audience. Here's how to find and choose the right ones. Affiliate networks. Join networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, or Rakuten Marketing to access a wide range of affiliate programs. Direct partnerships. Reach out to companies directly to inquire about their affiliate programs. Many companies offer exclusive affiliate opportunities. Program reputation. Choose programs with a good reputation, reliable tracking, and timely payments. Read reviews and feedback from other affiliates. 4. Create high-quality content. Content is key to successful affiliate marketing. Your content should provide value to your audience and naturally incorporate affiliate links. Here are content ideas and tips. Product reviews. Write detailed reviews of products or services you're promoting. Include pros, cons, and personal experiences to build trust. How-to guides. Create guides or tutorials that show your audience how to use the products or services. Include your affiliate links within the content. Comparison articles. Compare different products or services within your niche, highlighting their features and benefits. Use your affiliate links to direct readers to the products you recommend. Blog posts and videos. Publish regular blog posts or videos related to your niche. Include affiliate links in your content, and optimize for SEO to drive organic traffic. 5. Drive traffic to your content. To earn $1,965 per day, you need to attract significant traffic to your content. Use the following strategies to drive traffic. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your content for search engines to increase organic traffic. Focus on relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and high-quality backlinks. Social media marketing. Promote your content on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Engage with your audience and use paid advertising to reach a larger audience. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters with valuable content and affiliate promotions. Use lead magnets like free ebooks or guides to grow your list. Paid advertising. Invest in paid advertising on platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. 6. Optimize conversion rates. Attracting traffic is just the first step. You also need to optimize your content to convert visitors into buyers. Here's how. Call to actions, CTAs. Use clear and compelling CTAs to encourage readers to click your affiliate links. Position them strategically within your content. Landing pages. Create dedicated landing pages for high-ticket or specialized offers. Ensure they are well-designed, persuasive, and focused on conversions. A/B testing. Test different elements of your content, such as headlines, CTAs, and layout, to determine what works best. Use the results to optimize your content for higher conversions. 7. Track and analyze performance. To achieve consistent income, regularly monitor and analyze your affiliate marketing performance. Use these techniques. Analytics tools. Use tools like Google Analytics and affiliate dashboards to track clicks, conversions, and commissions. Performance metrics. Monitor key metrics such as click-through rates, center conversion rates, and average order value (AOV). Identify which affiliate programs and content types perform best. Adjust strategies. Based on your analysis, adjust your strategies to focus on high-performing content and programs. Continuously optimize your approach to improve results. 8. Scale your affiliate marketing efforts. Once you've established a successful affiliate marketing strategy, consider scaling your efforts to reach the $1,965 monthly income goal. Expand your content. Increase the volume and variety of your content to reach a broader audience. Explore new formats like webinars, podcasts, or interactive content. Diversify affiliate programs. Promote a wider range of products or services to increase your earning potential. Look for programs with recurring commissions or high payouts. Outsource tasks. Consider outsourcing tasks such as content creation, SEO, or social media management to free up time and focus on growth. 9. Maintain compliance and integrity. To build trust and maintain long-term success, adhere to best practices for compliance and integrity. Disclosure. Clearly disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience. Transparency helps build trust and complies with legal requirements. Ethical promotion. Promote products and services that genuinely benefit your audience. Avoid deceptive practices or overhyping products. Expanding your content platform to scale your affiliate marketing efforts. Consider expanding your content platform beyond your current focus. This can help you reach new audiences, diversify your traffic sources, and enhance your authority in your niche. Content repurposing. Reformatting content. Repurpose your existing content into different formats to reach a broader audience. For example, turn a high-performing blog post into a video, podcast episode, infographic, or social media carousel. This allows you to tap into different content consumption preferences and platforms. Content syndication. Distribute your content across multiple platforms to increase its reach. For instance, syndicate your blog posts on platforms like Medium or LinkedIn Pulse, or share snippets of your videos on Instagram Reels or TikTok. This strategy not only drives more traffic but also reinforces your brand presence across various channels. Launching a YouTube channel. Visual content. If you haven't already, launching a YouTube channel can be a powerful way to expand your reach. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, making it an excellent platform for affiliate marketing. Create content that aligns with your niche, such as product reviews, how-to videos, or unboxings, and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. Monetization opportunities. In addition to affiliate marketing, YouTube offers other monetization opportunities, such as ad revenue, channel memberships, and super chat donations during live streams. This can further diversify your income. Podcasting. Podcasting potential. Starting a podcast can help you reach an entirely new audience that prefers audio content. Discuss topics related to your niche, interview industry experts, or share personal insights and experiences.